How to make ginger beer. What you will need: sugar, powdered ginger, water, ginger beer bug. I saw some brown dry stuff that Mr. McCarthy was holding. I also smelled strong ginger beer smell, and I felt sugar everywhere in my hand, and it will take 8 days for feeding the bug with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger, so it will stay healthy. 2 weeks for the bottled ginger to become not that fizzy, but ready to drink.
Ginger beer tasting by Lara. The ginger beer tastes like Alpine and Coke when you have a big drink of it. When you have a small drink, it tastes like Alpine by itself. And it's also fizzy and yum. Thank you for listening.